Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are right now. Today, I will share with you guys the MOV, that is motor operated valve installations. We can see how it's work and then how the installation at site, and you will see the actual installations that what I am sharing this to you now. Okay, so we'll see. So this is the actual installation of our MOV at site. So that is MOV at site. This is the installations you can see here. This is our photos that you can see. So here, and then this is our manual. Okay, and this is our line. So this process line. Okay. Then this is a power control cables installations that wherein you connect your connections inside of our MOV. So as you can see here, say during the installations, so I asked the contractor to provide sleeve, hinge-shrinkable sleeve, in order that to protect our corrosions in this area. So this is our connections of our cable gland. So in order to prevent the corrosion, so ask the contractor to provide shrinkable sleeve in order that they cannot penetrate along the way to this area. All right, and also minimize the dust as well. And then you have shroud. So automatically the cable gland combinations with the shroud. All right. So this is our compartment. This is wiring compartment of our MOV. So as you can see here, there's a lot of wires that to be connected in our terminal. So this terminal, you can see this terminal through our main wall, and also we have interconnection drawing and also schematic diagrams, schematic wiring that you can terminate in this portion. So some of this wire which is connected in the compartment, that is vendor facilities, vendor scope. So during the FAT of MOV, so the vendor is already provided this cable which is connected internal of the MOV. So you never touch this again. Only you from the EPC construction team, they only install some of the cables wherein field communications cable that required. Okay, but internal cable wire that belongs to the vendor. So during FAT, that's the time you notify, you check all of this wire is correct based on the drawing. All right, so as you can see here, this is the installation area of our field cable connections. This is the area. Okay, and you can see this blue color. This is connected to the battery. So in this MOB, this is the connections of our battery. As you can see here, the next slide. So this is the blue color that what I mentioned earlier. So see, you can see here this one. From the opening side, this is the cover of the compartment. Then you can see in this portion, you fill it out, this one, and then you remove, and then remove this one, Allen K. Then the battery, it's under this area. So this is the battery. Some of the MOV, if you notice of some of the uh, persons already experienced, so this instrumentations control related to the MOV, some of the battery, it's located in front of the monitor. Okay. Okay, this is our battery. This is battery connected to that wire, which is the locations, which is the cover of the compartment of the MOV. So as you can see here, we have 9 volts battery, and this is how the installations of the battery is located in this portion. So it's very clear that these connections, it's you can see the indications So when you look at the monitor or the display of the motor operated valve, the display, you can see the previous slide that I showed that there is indication. So meaning, if you think that this is live, why? Because it's battery operated. So when you're removing the battery, so of course the display at this time that will be removed within a matter of 1 minute to 2 minutes. So the display will not be showing there. So you can see the previous presentation that I shared now in the previous slides. You can see there is indications there like 100 or 10 or 100. So the display is showing there. When you remove the battery, automatically the display will be vanished. So it's not showing there. Okay, so this is the important things that you need to know, especially those persons involved in the commissioning, pre-commissioning, that this is battery operated. Okay, so not only this MOV that we have battery, all of the MOVs, some of the MOVs that the battery is located nearby with the display. And this MOV, it's the battery is located in the cover itself. Okay, so this is the example, guys, of our MOV installation and some of the wirings which is located in that particular portions in that compartment of the MOV and the wiring itself. So hopefully that's this videos informations that I shared to you guys that will be knowledgeable from your side, and you get experience as well. For those who experience of this MOV, just comment and give some information as well, so those new comers and willing to learn from the commissionings, pre-commissioning, quality QC, and construction activities. So see you guys, and hopefully this give you learning ideas. Bye bye.